Hello! And welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a skincare testing and review sort of tutorial video, and that's what it's going to be today. But before I show you what the product is in a moment, and I'm a little bit scared, I'm going to be a little bit honest. But before I show you, I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video, the content, the product, the review, the tutorial, the advice, then let me know by giving the video a massive thumbs up, because it lets me know that you like it and you want to see more, and also everyone else can see it and they can give it a big thumbs up too. Please come and subscribe to tazwells12, that would be absolute fantastic. You can come and join my YouTube journey and my channel by hitting the subscribe button up the top, absolutely free. You will then be subscribed to tazwells12 and hit the notification bell, and you will see the video straight off the bat when it comes out. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter and 2 on Instagram. So I have tazwells12, which is my main account, and then I have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. It's just an advice video for you guys, what I wanted to show on skincare wise. So yeah, it's nothing out of the ordinary. I have brought it out on my own money. It's not a sponsored video. Please comment down below if you have tried the product, or you want to see more like this, or I know you do like the skincare ones. I've got the highest ratings of skincare, like views on my skincare ones, so definitely comment down below. I will 100% always comment back to you and like comment every single time. That is everything. Now we will get into the skincare review tutorial video. Product that we're gonna like review, test and tutorial is this. So I got these out of Poundland, I think I did, a little while ago. I have wanting to try these, but I am absolutely scared at the same time. Go through the box first, and then we will get all into the nuzzy jazzy stuff of trying it. These were like new at the time. I bought these a while ago. So they're from the DERMA V10 Innovations Love Yourself for Less. They're 6 deep cleansing charcoal nose pore strips with witch hazel and peppermint oil. It unclogs pores, draws out impurities, absorbs dirt and oil, removes blackheads. Deep cleansing action draws out impurities, surface of the skin for all skin types. So that's what's on the front, and then on the back it basically says, our deep cleansing charcoal nose pore strips unplug pores, remove blackheads, draw out excess oil for the deep clean. The deep clean action of the charcoal extracts dirt like a magnet, helping it to draw out deep down impurities, infused with collagen and a natural mineral clay which absorbs impurities from the skin. Enrich with peppermint oil and witch hazel to leave your skin feeling clean and refreshed. Designed to adhere to dirt and oil in the most hard to reach areas. Any residue that has been left on your skin can easily be removed with rinsing. For best results, use 1 to 2 times a week. The directions then says, after cleansing your face with soap, make sure there are no creams or makeup present. I haven't put any makeup on today. Thoroughly wet your nose. I'll do that in a minute. The strip will not adhere to a dry nose. Dry your hands and remove the strip from the plastic liner. Apply the strip to the moistened area of the nose, pressing the smooth side down to ensure good contact with the skin. Allow the strip to dry for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. When the strip feels stiff to the touch, it has dried. Gradually peel the strip off, beginning at the edges, pulling towards the centre. Should the strip be difficult to remove, wet it and peel it off carefully. That's the bit I'm scared of. I really want to try this. I picked these up because I've seen like loads of tutorials and loads of little videos about this, and like loads of little impurities come out your nose, and I have got them impurities on my nose. you probably can't see them because it's really, really hard to see them. But personally, I can see them in the mirror. The scary thing is that if I have a problem with taking it off, we're going to do this video. We're going to try it. We're going to do literally the same instructions that I've just read out on the back. And we are going to go for it. I'm going to clip my hair up and wet my nose and we will go for this. I've literally just clipped my hair up. I'm going to take one out because there's 6, so it comes in this little snazzy pack. I'm going to keep it facing down so I can see the instructions. I'm just going to wet my nose and then we will go for it. I've just wet my nose really quickly. I don't think it's really damp, but what I've done is like brought a wet cloth in and brought a dry towel in so I can sort of do it the same. So because it said what to do is like wet your nose, but I don't know how wet it's got to be and whatever else like that, so it literally needs to go on the top. So I dry my hands off and it says, oh, it's very snazzy. Oh, you can open it both ways, could you? Oh, wow. There's the strip. So it's sticky that side. So what does it say? Wet your nose. The strip will not adhere to a dry nose. Dry your hands and remove the strip from the plastic liner. Apply the strip to the moistened area of the nose, pressing the smooth side down to ensure. I'm guessing it goes that way. So that looks about right, doesn't it? It can't go that way, surely. Or can it? Well, it might do. Which way does it go? No, it goes that way. That's how she's got it. Do it, so just for double measure. It's just wet my nose. Again, my nose looks so red now because I've literally done it. So it says peel it off. Oh God, this is scary. Oh, this is scary. Right, okay. Let's go for it. Oh my God, it's really hard. I don't know if I got this the right way. This is not getting right into the nook and crannies. It is now. It says now, once I've got it on, which it looks a bit weird, doesn't it? It says approximately leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Doesn't feel like really secure on my face. Is that me, or have I done it the wrong way round or something? Because hers looks really like stuck, doesn't it? But mine doesn't look like that. I am going to be back in about 10 to 15 minutes and we can then see the results and hopefully it's going to work. So I will be back. I can feel it a little bit sticking down, but yeah, I'm a little bit scared still, but I'll be back. Hello, we're back again. It's been 10 minutes. I didn't want to go with 15 just because this is my first one and I want to see how this goes. So I am really, really scared how to pull this off, but it says pressing smooth down with the texture, allow the strip to dry. When the strip feels stiff to touch and it has dried, gradually peel the strip at the beginning of the edges. It's more the fact of going this way. Oh, okay, it's not as bad. I don't know if I've left it on long enough, but it's simple at the minute. Oh. Oh. Wow. Actually, wow. Oh my God, you can actually see all my impurities come out. That is actually physically nuts. That's actually nuts. Like, I think I could have left it on a little bit longer. So next time I do this, I will leave on a little bit longer. But I don't know if you can see, like, these are all the bits that basically have come out. It's focusing on me, but like, look, you can see like that. I know this is pretty gross, but it's very, very cool at the same time. That is... Next time, I think... Yeah, I think next time I might put it up that way, but I don't know. Wow, like, I think I could have definitely left it a little bit longer. You definitely felt the stiffness go on, which is quite incredible, but I seen all the little bits. So these were good. I actually might consider using these a lot more. I think they're really good actually. Yeah, it's not affected my nose like massively bad. There's a bit of like black on my nose, but I always pulled out some things, but I get it really bad here. So I'm gonna figure out like how to put it on my nose a little bit better. But for a first go, I'm pretty happy I've done it now because I don't feel scared of it. Did have a solution on there if it does get a little bit stuck. Pull it literally from the edges. It gets a bit stuck here, but I think that's where it's literally like grabbing all the stuff on my nose. But yeah, I think that's pretty incredible, to be honest. I also want to try like on it, like how to put it on my nose a little bit better, because it does look like it's that way, but you never know. But that's cool. I like them. So if you're doing go in Poundland, have a look for these. They're not as scary, and I really enjoyed this, and I'm going to do this again because my nose is one of my problem areas, and to fix it with something I can put on my nose for like 10-15 minutes, I'm definitely next time, and I'm definitely going to press it in a lot more. I think I didn't give it as much of a chance because I was a little bit scared of it. But yeah, I've learned my lesson, but I think these are a really good rating. I think when I go in Poundland again, I will even be picking this up again because I know I've got 5 more, but I will be using these quite a lot because it says that you can use it about 1 to 2 times a week. So perfect. Like that will take me a whole week. If I feel my nose is thing, I might leave it a little bit longer. But yeah, really good. Love that. Really good bargain as well. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the video now. These DERMA V10 ones in the 6 Deep Cleansing Charcoal Nose Pore Strips. It is a massive rating for me because I think these are incredible. Like, I was pretty damn scared to try these, but now trying them, I'm super happy. I would go for them a lot more. I think sometimes you've got to take that risk, haven't you? Like, just to go for it, to be honest. Just to make, yeah, just to go for it. Just to make it, like, feel like you can go for it. And I definitely did. I bought these. I was really scared, but I put this video off for a long time. I kind of did want excitement to try them, but I put it off. But now I'm really happy I have. So if you have like really problem areas with your nose, then definitely try these because these were really good and they didn't pull at all and they didn't hurt. So lovely. This is the end of the video. So if you like the product, you like the review, you like my advice, you like anything, you're a bit scared to try them, then just remember this video because yeah, I tried them as well. If you did like anything, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and you'll be notified when a new video is out. The video is not sponsored by DERMA V10 or Poundland or any other brands I did mention. This is all out of my own money and it's just an advice video for you guys. Check out my other social medias, which is 1 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. Please comment down below too if you liked anything in the video. If you want to give me feedback on these videos or any skincare that you want to see, definitely comment down below. That'd be perfect as well because I like trying a lot of different skincares out, so definitely let me know down below and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. I hope they've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Please take care and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.